Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant wall decor DIY using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. I'm starting off with 8 of these Dollar Tree peel and stick wall tiles. I cut 6 of the wall tiles into 5 separate pieces. Next, I'm using this 12 by 36 inch canvas board that I picked up from my local craft store. I gave my canvas board one coat of white acrylic paint that I already had at home. I allowed my canvas board to completely dry before moving on to the next step. Here, I've placed down some of my wall tile pieces to create a design right down the center of my canvas board. I removed the white film from each of my wall stickers, but I also added generous amounts of Mod Podge to each of the pieces to hold them in place over time. Once my center pieces were in place, I then began filling in each of the sides. If any of my pieces lifted, I simply added more of the Mod Podge. It's important that each of the pieces are as flat as possible. Once all of my pieces were in place, I allowed them to dry for about 10 minutes before flipping my canvas over on a clean surface and smoothing the back to ensure that the pieces on the front were as flat as possible. One hour later, I added some silver extra fine glitter into my remaining Mod Podge, and then I added 3 coats of that mixture to each of my wall tile pieces. While these silver wall tiles are already shiny, the glitter will help them sparkle as well. Once my Mod Podge was completely dry, I then added single rolls of this silver self-adhesive Dollar Tree pearl wrap. Originally, I wanted to keep the sides of my canvas board white, but I later decided to cut up my 2 remaining wall tiles into strips, and I added those to the sides of my canvas board. And here's the finished look. I really like how this project turned out. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers,